What up, Go Farms? I know it's been a while since I've fucking vlogged. Oh shit, I'm going blind for a second. I'm getting glasses. So, and also make sure you like, subscribe, hit the comment down below, show your friends this. This whole virus is going crazy. Yeah, it's been a while since I vlogged. I don't know what else to say. I'm still looking on my merch. I haven't got it yet. It's gonna be Cobra Kai merch with a little goat on it. Right now I'm making myself some dinner. Pizza! It is a crappy day. It's going to be Halloween soon. So, I hope you guys are having fun. I hope you guys are having fun at school. Staying out of trouble. Like me. Yeah. But, I have a girlfriend now. Yay, finally. She's at her house right now. So, yeah. And always Go Fams, you're the goats. I'm the alpha. And you're awesome. You guys are watching this show. Peace. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below. Watch you do my next videos. Peace.